How to redeem the Amazon's digital rewards. Hey guys, and welcome back. If you have received any kind of digital rewards or redeemed the Amazon coins or code, in that case, first of all, you have to open Amazon.com and select the products that you would like to buy. It could be the products, or you could go to Amazon Prime Video as well. So once you have done so, just simply go to the cart section and proceed towards the checkout option. Once that is done, you will be taken to the page whereby you can select the payment method. Choose the appropriate one and then click on add a promo gift card of voucher. If you have a reward code, then you can enter it on the reward code section. But if you do not have it and have it in the form of payment method, tap on the add new option which is on the top right. After that, you will have to add the details and you'll be able to find use your reward point in order to buy. So this way you can just tap on it and redeem your reward point. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.